Being a victim of identity theft, one of the fastest growing crimes, can make you feel like your life is in pieces. Someone's identity is stolen every 30 seconds. When you're targeted and your identity is compromised, you can have feelings of severe emotional distress. It's really a total disruption of your life. Most people spend hundreds of hours over a period of months trying to recover their financial security. Some are forced to take time off from work or miss important family events. Having your identity stolen is one of the most terrifying and frustrating experiences you can have, unless you have an identity theft protection plan. Introducing Sontiq's EZShield Restoration, providing world-class protection and expert services backed by our unwavering commitment to our partners and their customers. We take your identity theft or fraud event personally. That's why you'll be assigned a dedicated resolution specialist until your issue is resolved completely. Our people, processes, and systems maintain ironclad security measures at all times. Your personal information is handled securely using triple-layer data encryption. You're also protected from check fraud with EZShield Restoration's patented and comprehensive business check fraud protection. And if you're using Sontiq's Small Business Suite, we also offer fully managed restoration for your employees who are enrolled in the service and business's confidential information, activated immediately in the event of misuse or fraud. When you work with one of our resolution specialists, you'll never have to worry about where you stand. From first contact through completed restoration, our customers' satisfaction matters most. Sontiq's award-winning family of products, built to protect your employees, your customers, and you. Learn more about how Sontiq's EZShield Restoration service can help you after an identity theft event and is built to protect what matters most.